Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the alternator belt on a Mitsubishi Lancer. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the battery negative terminal to avoid any sparks. Gather basic tools like a socket set, breaker bar, and a belt tensioner tool. Inspect the old belt for cracks and measure wear, and lay out replacement parts so the swap goes smoothly and quickly. Now, we remove the old belt step by step with calm motions and care. Start by noting the belt route and loosening the tensioner with the correct tool, keeping control so the spring does not snap back. Gently work the belt off each pulley while checking pulleys and bearings for noise or play. Keep bolts and small parts organized and wipe away any oil or grime so the new belt fits cleanly. When installing the new belt, route it carefully so each rib sits in the pulley grooves and none ride the edges. Use the tensioner to apply proper tension and double-check alignment by hand before reconnecting the battery. Start the engine for a short run to listen for squeal or misalignment, then shut down and recheck tension if needed. Take a short test drive and inspect once more for secure fit and quiet operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.